All right, we're going live. All right, and we're live. So yo, what is up, my peoples? We're right here, Oasis Trading Club. This is January 10th, 2021, 10 p.m. We're about to go over some pairs, and we will be going over Bitcoin as well. All the cryptos have been bleeding, so we need to see. Is this the end of Bitcoin? Should you cash out right now that it's at around 40, or should you huddle for around 80 to 100K? Well, we'll find out right now. First off, we're gonna go over Euro USD, and then got my partner sign here, RJ. Y'all already know my boy Luis and Robert. All right, the Oasis founding members, and then we got a couple of other peeps on here. Boy Mario, my boy. Ooh, where'd it go? My boy David. It's like left.
What up?
So we're about to get this rolling. But all right, for sure. So we got a couple trades, but one of the trades that we actually agreed on, because us traders, it's hard for us to agree on a pair. So we're looking at UDJPY. We were looking at GPAUD, and we're looking at a couple real good ones. But we ended up with just one in agreement. So everybody actually agreed on this one, and this is the one that we're gonna call out for the week. So Euro USD is the winner. We saw this move from up here last week, and right here we were deciding whether to sell it off already or to hold on a 5-minute time frame. Some of my partners here, they look at them in bigger time frames, but we were talking about it right here, and we're looking at this little trend that was building up. So it actually ended up respecting it perfectly, and we ended up bouncing off of there. We broke through the trend, respected it beautifully, and now we have commerce, right? So we are now on the second level. We have broken out, and we have touched the take profit. So what is happening with Euro USD now? Why is it still the trade of the week when last week it was also the trade that we all agreed on? Well, because we figured on a daily to weekly time frame that Euro USD will continue to drop. We are looking at this pattern to continue somewhere around this level, the 19,500 to the 1.200 zone. So somewhere around that range. And this divergence on the 4 hours is just crazy. So definitely think that we're gonna see this price action here get closed off. Bam, just swallow that real quick. So you're looking at around 120. But we all agreed on this pair. On the entries, we have some areas that you should look out for. Anywhere from the 122 zone to the 122, I would say 300. So anywhere between that 10 pip range is a key entry zone. All right, this is the zone that we agreed on here in Oasis. When we agreed on this key zone here from 122 to is it 122? Yeah, so 122 to 122, 300 Is that a 10 pip area? I'm tripping out. Sorry, guys. Gotta make sure. Nope. Damn. Okay. So we're looking at around 30 pip entry zone. So in total, it's a 50 pip stop loss area. All right. So let me put this more precise. 122. Bam. All right. So right there would be the area that we're looking out for. 122, 500 would pretty much be the stop loss on this trade. Um, 50 pip stop loss. And we are trying to take it to the next target. The next target would be take profit one around this area, 12600 or so. And you're looking at 150 pip take profit one. So you're risking 50 pips to gain 150, 1 to 3 ratio, not bad at all. And then if we break through and close off the 119,500 zone, then you're looking at 280 pips. So that would be target number two. All right. So target number one, I feel we're for sure gonna hit this week. I think we might just smash right through it, and then come right back up into this area. But anything after that is risking it. Just make sure that you have taken enough profits where you're comfortable at 12600, 12700 area. But that is the trade that we all agreed on. So that's that. I'm gonna pass it off, and I don't know what pair are we gonna go through next, guys.
I'll go over GBP at UD.
That's a bet. Yeah, GPUD was another one I really liked, but not all of us could coincide on that one. So go ahead, bro. Show 'em what we got.
All right. All right, we're gonna go over GBP at UD. On GBP at UD, I got two targets. I got two targets on GBP at UD. We go to a higher time frame. We see that GBP has been going down, but obviously, whatever goes down has to bounce back up for has to bounce back up. So I'm not sure if a lot of y'all are familiar with fibs, but with the Fibonacci, but that's pretty much how mainly how I trade. Nothing but fibs. Obviously, you always got to look left to see some supporting resistance. So the more tools you have, obviously, the more confirmations that you're gonna get for yourself that hey, you know what, the market's going to go up, or the market's going down. So fibs plus trend lines plus supporting resistance, that's pretty much that's the more tools you have, the better for you. So right here we're gonna get a fib. I'm gonna drive from the high to the low. These red fibs are always gonna be the targets. The red fibs that you see right here on my screen. We got the 786, the 618, the golden number. We got the -27 and the -618. So right now I'm trying to figure out this leg. I'm measuring this leg right here, and I want to see how low it could go. And as you can see, it was going all the way low, and it hit the -27, and it tried to hit the 618, and it couldn't hit it. And this is the daily target. This is the daily time frame, and we already got 1, 2, 3 days that it's been going up. So I don't think we might hit the 618. So right here we could actually get rid of this fib right here, and we could actually draw another fib to measure this leg, see where the retracement is going. So I'm gonna take it from the high to the low, and on the daily, this is gonna be the take profit. We got a -618, and well, pretty much we could actually put this box right here as a take profit, and that's the daily. So we're gonna get rid of this. And as we see, we look left, we got right here, as you can see, what a lot of people call this right here, some resistance right here. So we're going down to the 4 hours. So this is gonna be the take profit up here. So now I just want to get where my entry is gonna be. So we go to the 4 hours, and I get the fib out. As I get the fib, I go from high, I mean from the low to the high, and you can see the 786 tap right here. And whenever you draw a fib, you could draw the fib from low to high, or from high to low. But right here we're gonna go from low to high, and we're gonna see where the 786 or the 618 tap. So you could actually sold right here, and you could have sold all the way down to the 786, and you could have taken profit right there. And as you can see, it hit right on the money right there. So right now, this leg right here went down. It hit take profit, so that's gone right there. This trade is gone right there. There's no more reason to start to sell anymore right here. So you can take this fib out. But now I'm trying to figure out how long. Where is this leg going? Where is this leg gonna stop going up? So I draw a fib from low to high, and I see the negative 27 and the 6 and the negative 618. So this box right here is, I like this box right here for a first take profit. So this is where I'm gonna take the trade. And we were going over this trade earlier, and I actually went in already, but I did wanted this trade to go back down. I did want it to go back down right there, but we might see it go back down right now. But I just wanted to go in. Ain't going nothing crazy, just a little small lot size. But this is the area that I wanted, that I want the market to go down to, where I could actually put some buy limits at 1.7 1.749, pretty much. Let's see, 1.7500. That's where I'll probably put in the buy limits right there. And then I'm looking for a negative 27 tap or a negative 618. So what I like doing, I like changing it to the line graph, and I like taking the closest when the market close. So right here, this is one of the close. The market close right there. So I can take it. Oh crap! I could put it back to the candles, and I could see right here. And if you look up, the negative 27 is just right there on top. It'll probably be like a couple of pips, 7 pips. So I'll probably take this trade to 1.75900 and take profit right here. First take profit, and then I could see the market drop down somewhere around here, but eventually go all the way up to 76,500. 76,500 right there. So I think right now a good area to put your buy limit would be 1.75. 1.75. Let me put this right here. 5. And a good take profit will be 1.75930. And that will be, if it does go back down here, we'll go up. That will be a good 93 pips right there in the back. And then if you actually hold your trade, because once it gets up here, I have no doubt the market is going to come back and retest the breakout point and keep going back up to 1.76500. So if you hold, from down here and you take it all the way up here, 1.76 500, we'll take it right there. That's 150 pips. So if that's what I got for GBPAUD. Entry or buy limits at 1.75 and take profit. First take profit at 1.75 900, and the bigger take profit, which will be take profit number two at 1.76 500. So first take profit right here, and second take profit right there. Pretty much that's what I got for GBPAUD.
Nice.
Yeah. And yeah, pretty much that's what I got for that one. This is one of the pairs that we actually uh well we went over through and might be one of the good ones for the week. Or if not for the week, but for sure for these upcoming days, one day or two until the take profit or the take profit hit.
Can you zoom it out and show the RSI? I want to see if that's divergent down there.
Go to the 4 hours.
Daily kind of look like.
And one
Still,
thing,
I definitely think it's gonna touch that target.
yeah, one thing about me, guys, the way I trade, I usually trade in the bigger time frames, which is weekly, daily, and 4 hours. I try not to go any lower than the 4 hours. All my entries are based in the 4 hours, and when I hold my trades, I'm usually holding these trades for about 2 days to 3 days, and just as long as my take profit gets hit, it might take a day, might take 2 to 3 days, but I more than more than likely I'm trading in the 1 hour. I mean in the daily chart, weekly, and I'm basing my entries on the 4 hours. I really don't like going any lower than that. To me, the 1 hour is way too manipulative, and if the 1 hour is too way manipulative, I really don't like messing with the minutes. But that's pretty much just my trading style. I'm not saying don't look at it. I do glance at the minutes and the hours every once in a while, but I try not to.
Mm. Robert or RJ, y'all wanna? I'm not sure which one y'all wanna do next.
Um, we'll go over Ethereum, bro.
So,
So Ethereum, man, it's been a sad day for Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? So Ethereum, like we expected, it pushed up high. They stopped it real short at the 1340 48 area. The Bulls, the Bears came in, pushed it down. So the thing about cryptos, like as we all know, they're just so crazy, man. Those wicks that they do, those wick outs, those fake outs, they're known for that. So, so as we can see right here, the Bulls right now, I mean, the Bears are trying to take control. Broke through this 1 hour trend line. Right now, this is the 4 hour trend line. So we take out our fib. Ethereum has just barely wicked into the 50% on the fib. So that could be meaning it's gonna do a small retracement. I'm still not buying in. Just the fact that to buy in, we would have to also break through the 12,000 area and regain. If we can't do that, if we can't regain this by tonight, this would be a perfect buy-in. I mean, a sell order right here. And if we sell it off, we will start a bullish trend line all the way down to 1025. And if we can't hold that 1,000 barrier, we for sure going and seeing the 855 at least. So that's what we have right now for Ethereum. I think that that would be the most probable play out, and we can start looking for a retracement tonight. And that retracement could take up to 1225. I'll say I'll be more between 1225 and 1250. This would be a good sell in order, and the first sell take profit would be around 1,000. And if that 1,000, you could break even closing. If that 1,000 breaks through, we would also go all the way down to 855. That's if that's if right now the Bears don't come in aggressive. If we start breaking past 1242, then we would also break all the way to a weekly high of 14. So tonight, what I wanted to do is hold around 1225. If we could hold here and we could show that the Bulls are losing momentum, then we can all safely say that we could actually go in for a sell for tonight. But that's right now what I have for Ethereum right now. I don't know. You want to add something to that, Jay? Yo, yo, yo.
So you're saying this could go up to 1247, right, bro?
Yeah, it's for tonight, just to trace at 1240, like between 1225, 1247, hold, and we would go for the pushback to 1,000. I'm saying 1,000, just clear 1,000, hold right there. And if it doesn't hold at 1,000, and the Bears keep pushing, then we're going all the way to 855, and that would be our next buying opportunity. But so far, I'm seeing as this pair going for more of a bullish overturn. I'm
Yeah. So
sorry,
right
Bear.
now you just you're just shorting it just for you're selling it short term then.
Yeah,
Okay, but overall you're bullish on this.
yeah, overall. But we would
Okay.
still have to wait to see what's gonna do at the 1,000 point, and also if it can't hold that 1,000, like I said, my next buying opportunity would be at 855.
Okay, so the game plan is maybe we might be able to buy it to the 1225, 1245, and then shorting it from there.
Yeah. But like I said, cryptos move so quick. Like this dump right now today, man. This was a quick dump.
Yeah, it was.
Like that was just so crazy. And if we look at the fib level on the 4 hours, and like I said, crypto's known for doing, man, these fake outs, man, with these wicks. It already hit the 50 the 50th on the fib level. You see that?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. I would want it to see if it can hold between the 12, or yes, I said between 1,200 and 1,240. If it can hold right there, and it does, and if the Bulls can't gain momentum, then man, this is it. This could be a good sell off all the way to first take profit 1,000, break even at this point. And if they can't hold here as well, then we would also come see it hit all the way to 855, bro. That's what I'm seeing right now on Ethereum. And
Yeah.
then at that point we could decide if we're seeing another pushback, and that pushback could take us to the 1,400 area.
Yep.
So overall tonight retracing, hitting the
As
1,200.
soon as we touch that 950, bro, I think that would be like a
and,
perfect buy
and
area.
and create another channel, you know what I'm saying?
Yo,
And this would be our buying opportunity right here.
I think we'll just retouch that 950. But if we break that EMA, then yeah, continue to sell.
Mm-hmm. Because they already broke it. If we go to a 1 hour, already broke the 99. It just broke it. So you know it's already going down pretty volatile. So just expect it to come back up to tonight. Battle it out at the 12,000 between 12,000 and 1240. Say I don't say nothing. If it goes anything above this, then you know where we're going. We're touching these highs right here at 1350. But like I said, if we can't hold this here, this would be a good selling opportunity for tonight, all the way to the 1,000 area, breaking even, and then going eventually all the way to, like you said, either 950 or keep pressing all the way to 855.
Yeah, but right now it looks like that next 4 hour candle is gonna be it's gonna definitely touch that 950. That's what it looks like.
So it could be
Heavy.
also, and actually, even if we started selling it around here, man, but them wicks, man, they be getting us.
It's not the best.
That's not major, bro. But if we could break that 950, all the way to 855, I think it could hit 855. You know,
Yeah, major buy.
because if we go down to the 30 minutes, man, there ain't nothing there's nothing pushing that right now besides this right now in the 15 minutes. So we could see it actually come up here and then actually go for the sell. But overall, like I said, overall buying area would be between, yeah, the 950 and 800. We can start looking for those areas to buy again, but we got to see how the market reacts.
Mhm.
Um, man, Cardano, man, like we also said Cardano too. Well, Cardano's also looking for a sell. We were actually just looking to hold this coin physically though. If anybody has on, well, I have it on crypto.com, but man, Cardano made a beautiful move this last week. I don't know if anybody's holding any Cardano. Um,
Yeah, got some on KuCoin.
you got some on KuCoin?
Yeah.
Are you trading it or are you just holding?
Now I'm just holding
You
because
just
I know
holding?
it's finna boom February, March.
Yeah, so yeah, Cardano, I have the same thing. It right now, this area right here, it is on a weekly. So we did see do that double top on a weekly. If it can't break this weekly high, bro, then expect it to still come down a little lower. On the fib, this is the 50th level, at 24 cents. This would be our next buying area. But Cardano is a DeFi coin. It follows Ethereum, and if Ethereum is going down, then expect Cardano to go down as well. So the next buying area would be 19 or 24 cents.
Yeah,
And
for the people who want to get some more exchanges, since I don't know if anybody here is gonna still be holding XRP, but since Coinbase is not gonna, they're gonna stop trading XRP. Uh, Uphold is on another exchange that I've been using too, and I already sent and withdrew crypto. BitTrue is another one, and like Homeboy just said, KuCoin, I've
KuCoin.
already withdrew and sent crypto from those exchanges, and everything went out. Everything
Yeah,
came out
this
smooth.
is KuCoin. KuCoin is actually pretty badass because man, you can have a couple trades open. Like you have Bitcoin open, you have Cardano open, and it actually gives you a leverage, up to 100%. So KuCoin is good. I haven't started right now trading actually on it. So I just started off with 200 this week. So I'm gonna see how the trading goes on KuCoin, see if it's worth it or not. But this badass. KuCoin gives you actually 10% of a you can trade on margin or leverage.
And they got plenty way more coins than Coinbase that you could actually trade off or just hold.
Mm,
Um, Tron, man, this is a real cheap coin right now too. So Tron took a dump. You know what I'm saying? It's actually about to see. We're about to see if it could cross the 99 EMA. And I know some people were buying Tron last time. Anybody still holding Tron?
no, but it looks like a really good buy.
Yeah. So we could look at a buying opportunity right here. And it's crazy because it's still not even his cents yet. You know what I'm saying? So this is good. Oh, I know you were also looking at V Chain, right, Lewis?
Yeah, bro. So the people who got a KuCoin, I really do suggest y'all pick up some VeChain.
Yeah.
VeChain right now is at point. Oh no, that's something else.
Here, let me see. I got you.
VeChain is at 2 cents too. Damn, VeChain right now just dumped to 1 cent. So if you got $100, drop it on some VeChain. VeChain has partnered up with a whole bunch of people. VeChain, what they're trying to do is they're trying to keep up. Their blockchain is designed to keep inventory of a whole bunch of retail stores. And VeChain right now has partnered up with a whole bunch of people, with a whole bunch of retailers. Walmart is one of them. BMW is one of them, and a whole bunch of other ones. So, and VeChain is a Chinese company, but somehow they made its way to right here in the United
Man, you
States.
said they partnered up with Walmart.
Yeah, China, Walmart China is using them right now. So, and they just came to the United States. What's H&M? H&M is one of them too.
Oh, crazy.
BMW is using them as well. So, VeChain, I
And you
think
can
VeChain
see
is gonna be a good
VeChain's
one, bro.
getting supported on a lot of exchanges too right now. So that's pretty good. Because when you have it on eToro, Crypto.com, Binance, man, that tells you that it's trading on some couple exchanges, big exchanges. That's
Yeah,
really good.
and there's another one called VTOR, and VTOR is gonna be the gas for VeChain. And VTOR right now, let me see how much is that. I got some VTOR earlier today. VTOR right now, guys, is at 0.0007.
V Ether,
Yeah, it's VTOR. VTHO. Oh yeah,
it's at a
VTOR.
is it this one at $1.91?
Let me see now.
You said it's
VTHO.
VTHO. Okay, VThor.
VTOR token.
That's on KuCoin.
Yes, sir. Get yourself, if you got $50, throw them on there. You got $100, throw it on there. With $100, I think you could scoop up like almost a little bit more than 100,000 coins. So if this right here, guys, goes up to 10 cents, that's 12 racks. If it's able to make it to $1, that's $100,000 in on your $100 investment.
Yes,
Which VeChain, they're partnered up with VeChain. VeChain is using this as their gas. So if VeChain goes up and they come through with everything they're saying and all the partnership are using them, I don't doubt VeChain and VThor are gonna go up as well.
so that's some good tokens, and those tokens will keep y'all updated this week. We're gonna keep you updated with Cardano. Oh, you know which is another one we actually slept on right now before we close it up on the cryptos, man. Stellar Lumens, man. Stellar Lumens pumping hard. So one thing that helps Stellar Lumens right now was that Ukraine is about to use Stellar Lumens blockchain to start their own digital currency. So that's something right now that's stellar, and it looks like it wants to come back and retrace these last lows right here around 20 cents. But stellar, man, look at that. You know what I'm saying? That was a crazy move up this last month. I remember it was at 7 cents just a couple months ago. So yeah, last year in November it was still 13 cents. So Stellar Lumens did good gains. Look into buying that this week as well. It looked like it might retrace down a little bit more. I mean, if you can hold, it would be still a good coin to buy in. Like I said, because Stellar Lumens, because Ukraine's about to start using their blockchain to start their own digital dollar. So that's really good. Look out for Stellar Lumens. I don't know if anybody else has any other coins they're looking at right now.
Yeah, I got some Stellar Lumens too.
You guys have Stellar Lumens?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's really good. I mean, as long as it can hold under, as long as it can hold above 20 cents, you're good on Stellar Lumens, you know. And regardless, like we said, hold long term. It's a good coin to actually dump in. It's actually, it's actually ranked 11th right now. So Stellar Lumens came a long way from being a coin that was below 100, you know. So, but that's what we
Yeah.
got so far, guys. I'm gonna hand this back over to Jay.
Heck yeah, man. That was so much info right there, bro. So many freaking golden nuggets. So, I mean, hopefully, people can see the video, even if it's just 20, 30 people that are actually getting some really good knowledge here that can actually use it. You know what I mean? But with all of those coins that we have just said, I just want to throw something out there that's very important. We are not certified financial advisors. We are just traders who have been in the game for 5 years now, and you know what I mean. We're just throwing out these nuggets, so take them how y'all want to take them. Don't invest money that you don't have to lose, because at the end of the day, guys, nothing is for sure. We can be 99% sure of these investments that we are telling y'all about. And if we are talking about them, it's because we're investing in them as well. Okay. So we're not talking about something and we're not ourselves risking money in it. So we are very, 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 very bullish on cryptos. Cannot amplify that enough. I think everybody that is here on the chat right now is feeling the same way about the bullishness that we see on the crypto blockchain environment. So yeah, do with the information what you will, and we'll see you at the top if y'all decide to invest. We really think that we are gonna um, see these prices at a whole nother universe whenever we reach 10 years of investment time. I think that Bitcoin can easily be over 250,000, and Ethereum could be easily over 20,000. And we're talking about insane gains here that a lot of people think they're late into the crypto game, but you really have to think about a bigger picture. You're not late, guys. Let me give you an example. Okay, so right now, this is what we have on Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin graph. It's so early on, and I want to compare it to something that most people have pretty much seen and compared to before. But I want to myself put it right here on the channel, and that is gold right next to Bitcoin. Okay, so why is it very important to compare? Because they're saying that this is digital gold. So if it's literally considered digital gold right now, what did gold do in its infancy? And where is it now? All right, so we're gonna zoom all the way out, all the way out, and you can't even see this. You can't even see this. But this used to be about $8 or so an ounce or something like that. Yep. So it lasted there for, well, let's say what, 1940s all the way to the 70s. That's 30 years. That's insane. Shit is moving way faster than that now. But just to like put it into perspective, like that was laying around $8, and then it went and was as high as $50 for around 30 years, and then next thing you know, bam, gold was at $181. You could have got it at $8 an ounce. And then people were like, oh, it's too expensive now. And then it came crashing down. And then right here at $100, it was the next buying level. People are like, nah, I don't know about that. Boom, it hits the next high of $270, right? That's where we're at now. That's where we're at right freaking now. 250, $270. That's where we're at in our crypto life. All right. Where it went from $200 to $280, which I know this is double, but this is the same move. This is the same move. Same exact move. All right. And that move right there, from right here to right here, it was just $100, but you get what I'm saying. You get the example. It's the same pattern. And if you don't see the bigger picture, if you don't see the bigger picture, then you tripping, you know? So if you don't see the bigger picture of this, look, man, can I even cross them over? Nah, I can't. Look, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw this out. Boom. I'm gonna copy it just like it's doing over there, right? So then it went down, it messed around, and then it did this, right? Bam. And this is where gold is at now. So easily 120K. You know what I mean? Just putting it into perspective. And that's like, man, come on. If you really want to draw it out, telling you, shit, possibilities are crazy, crazy in the crypto game. So if you think you're late, you're not late. You're only late if you don't do anything now. That's the only way you're gonna be late. You don't do anything starting today. You know what I mean? You gotta take action. So if you invest, let's say $10 every single day, every couple of days that you can, and in a year, because we're looking at this at a 10-year cycle, right? So in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, let's say you got yourself little $5,000 to $20,000 invested. Depends on how heavy you're investing in, right? And in those 5, 10, in those oh my god, I can't even talk right now. In those around 5 years that you're investing, you know what I mean? Your little stash away. Then after that, just let it fly for 15 years. That's what I'm gonna do till the end of the cycle of Bitcoin. You can take some gains out along the way after the 10-year cycle, but I'm saying though, it is not too late. You could easily 20x to 100x your money. That's insane. On these coins that we're talking about, really do the math on them. Really do the math. Do you think Chainlink is over right now at $15? Heck no. When it was at 75 cents that I posted the video and I said, man, Chainlink is gonna pop off. And then it hit $20. That was insane. It took it like a year and a half. You know what I mean? So $20, you think that's it? I'm looking at $200 in the next 3 years on Chainlink alone. That is just what I am projecting. Who knows if it's gonna happen, right? $200 in the next 3 years, and I'm looking at anywhere from 1,000 to who knows, in a 10-year time frame. Yeah, probably less, but I'm just saying though, like, damn, these are huge freaking gains. If you go in right now at $15, even if it's at $20, $30 a chain link, how many chain links can you buy? If you got an extra $30, on a random Tuesday, instead of going to have a beer, buy a chain link. Buy two chain links right now that it's at 15. You know, some V chain. You got $30, man. You got yourself like what 30,000 V chain or something crazy like that. So really think about the gains of what you're investing in. Don't think about it's $30. Oh man, this is $3,000 as soon as I put it in here. That's 3,000. This what $30 just became 3,000 as soon as I put it in this investment. You really have to think about it. How many $30, how many $3,000 can you put in there? When you really start thinking about it like that, you're like, damn, shit, $100, that's $10,000 in my pocket. Yes, sir. So enough with that. Let's break down Bitcoin. What's popping next? Is it time to cash out? One of my boys hit me up 2 days ago and he was like, man, no, I think that we should just, cash out and run away with it. because he thinks that this is the beginning of the $20,000 fall from 2017. Um, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'll show y'all real quick. He thinks that we're here. Whenever we came from 20,000 all the way back to 3,000, that's where he thinks we're at. So he thinks that we're about to just crash all the way back down to like $12,000. Which, hey, shit, who knows, right? I mean, we could, but I really don't think that we're done with this bull run. I definitely don't think we're done. I think that people wish they're freaking praying to whoever they pray to, that it could reach $20,000 or 12,000 one more time. I know I sure as fuck shit. Woo, man! If I see it down there one more time, you better believe I'm gonna do whatever I can, put as much as I can in there. So I think that we could see an easy 27. This was drawn out before. This was when it was up here. We actually did hit the 27 right on freaking point. And then I said we were going to around the 40 300 zone, and we hit 42, and now we came back down. So right now we're retesting this breakout price of 34 to 36. I said these were very, very important psychological zones. That's why I expected it to fall from around this area back down to around 27. And we hit 34 and boom. So now we managed to break above, and now we're retouching these psychological areas of price action. So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna go back above? Well, I'll give you one key price that we need to look out for in order to see if we will be continuing on this bearish movement or it will be rebounding from the price action that we're at. So I definitely think that we're gonna keep on going just a little bit lower to there you go, 30,000. 30,700 or so, 31. You want to get technical about it. But around this whole little area right here, from 30,000 to 31. I
Yeah.
think that we're gonna see somewhere in that area. We might we might come back and retouch this. Right here is mess around town. Mess around town. That's the best way I could put it. I mean, we could go ahead and funnel. We could whatever. But point is, I definitely see it hitting around this area. And then once we do, if you see anything below 29,200, then if you're not comfortable with a drawdown, or if you got in anywhere, anywhere like in this little area, you might just want to get out. And then just get back in. Let's say it breaks, right? Just get out. And then that way, let's say you got in somewhere around here. As soon as it breaks through there, you're out of it. You're like, okay, bet. So you don't see any drawdown. And then as soon as you see this turn over, boop, go right back in. All right. But I think that we're gonna see this mess around. And oh shit. Whoops. Then we're gonna reach this right here. Boom. If that happens, I really don't think this scenario will happen. But who knows, right? It could. I think this scenario is gonna happen. This one right here. It's just gonna be creating these higher highs. You're gonna retouch around, like I said, the lowest price I think 30,000 to 31, and then from there we're gonna break out back out of 37. And if you see the breakout back out of 37, I think that we are back in bullish territory, and we are going to you'd be looking at 47. So yeah, it's about that 10,000 pip move. You're looking from 27 to 37, and now from 27 to my bad, and now from 37 to 47. That's about a 10,000 pip move that is ranging on. 10,000 pip move, $10,000 price action move that it's ranging on. So that would be the next target. So this week, mess around probably this whole week. I think that we could this all of these daily candles could, spend their time here while the dollar gains its strength and does what it does. People are thinking that this might end up falling, but I think that the dollar is not gonna even, it's just gonna hold its place while the dollar does its thing, is what I'm predicting. And then it's gonna, it's gonna keep doing its thing, and people are gonna be like, "Fuck, what is going on?" Because shit, people are just praying. Some people are just praying that this thing dies too, man. They're just praying that it dies, and I don't think it's dying right now. I think it's gonna keep on rolling. So I'm not gonna predict anywhere above these two price actions. I'm just gonna predict that either we will see this in this week to rise back up, or anywhere above 37, we are going to see 47 next. This whole action here, consolidation zone, and we'll go from there. So that is um, that is what I got. I don't know if anybody got any questions. Anybody want to add anything else? Nah, everybody Gucci.
Gucci game, my boy.
I'm gonna be launching a Webby at 5 a.m. If anybody wants to get on.
Nah, it's a bet. It's a bet. I'll try. I'll set an alarm. I'll try to get on there. But I guess that's pretty much it. Oasis Trading Club, guys. If y'all want some more info, some more knowledge on this, some private tutoring on this, just let us know, and we could definitely set something up. All right, so we're located in Dallas, and you can follow our Instagram. If you want to get hold of our Telegram group, just put a message, put a comment, send me a message. Is what I meant, and we'll get it popping. But either way, guys, this was lit. Hopefully, y'all can make some money out of the nuggets that we have thrown out here today. All right, but with that being said, we'll catch y'all next time. Oasis Trading Club.